What's up, my people? Welcome back to another video. Let's make some okra punch, aka strongback. So right here I have 10 okra that were washed already. What I'm going to do is to cut off the ends and boil them for about 5 to 8 minutes. I prefer to cook the okra as opposed to just blending it raw with everything else. So here I added about a cup of water. You really don't need that much water. You just want to allow the okra to boil and soften up a bit. Once the okra cook, allow it to cool. It's time to blend the punch, so go ahead and add the okra to your blender and don't discard this liquid, add it as well. I'm also going to add some raw peanuts, soaked oats, flaxseed, some spices. I will list everything I use in the description, so make sure to check that out. Alright, so here I have the oats that I soaked from overnight, and this is about a half a cup of oats to 1 cup of milk. To sweeten, I'm using some condensed milk, but you can use whatever sweetener of your choice, and make sure to sweeten this to fit your liking. After you have added everything to your blender, blend until smooth. Now what I'm going to do is to set this in the fridge to cool down a bit before I serve it. You can add ice, but to me the ice just water down the thing. And that's it, my people. A nice drink to keep your body strong and firm. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. And until next time, bless upon yourself.